He said, "Why are you being like this?" I said, "You know what you did." He rolled his eyes and walked away.
Drill bit to
I
drill
slammed the
stitching
bathroom
holes.
door and stayed in
Both
there
bits
for like
use
20
a couple
minutes.
adapters to make them work
My
with
mom
the
called
correct shank
again.
of the machine.
I finally answered and
Over
told
the
her I was
years of
moving out.
making and selling
She said,
furniture and
"Oh,
building big
honey."
pieces like this,
She didn't even
I've really
sound
learned
surprised.
I like to think.
She just said, "Do you need help moving?" I said, "Maybe, but Avery's got it." She said,
Style.
"Do you want to
So I
stay
came
here
up
for a
with this
bit?"
modern twist
I
on the
said,
Adirondack
"Maybe,
movement, and
but
I
I
call
think
them
I'll
the
be
Lowells.
okay."
And they sell
She
out.
said, "Okay. Just let me know." I almost told her everything, but I didn't. So here's where it gets good. Next day, Douglas leaves for the gym at 6 o'clock. I text
wife
Avery.
loves it.
She
I
comes
got
over.
some hardware off
We grab the
online.
last of my
It would
stuff.
kind of
I
resemble
leave a
or
note
match
on the
this
counter
old
with a
world
list of
book.
everything he owes me for the last